My dear children, after E letter sound and words, we are going to know about the letter F. This is the letter F. F. In this way we write F. How do we write? In this way. And the phonic sound of F is F. Phonic sound of F is F. So now we are going to see all the pictures related to phonic sound F. Okay? Fox. This is a fox. Okay? This is a fox and this is called a fishing rod. Fishing rod. F fishing rod. F fox. F fishing rod. F flag. F flag. F fish. F fish. F frog. Frog. F frog. F fire. Fire. F fruit. Fruit. F fire. F fruit. F fardeen. F fardeen. And this is F fence. Fence. It is called fence. Okay. Now F Fatima. F funnel. F funnel. This is funnel. See Fatima who is sitting there on the mat and it is a funnel. Funnel. Okay. This is flower. Flower. F flower. F fork. F fork. Okay. So now these are the words related to the letter and phonic sound F. Okay. Now we are going to learn all these words and phonic sound through rhythmic way. Okay. Okay. Fox is fishing. F f f. Fox is fishing. F f f. F is the sound of F. F is the sound of F. F fox and F fishing rod. F fox and F fishing rod. F flag and F fish. F flag and F fish. F frog and F fire. F frog and F fire. F fruit and F fardeen. F fruit and F fardeen. F fence and F funnel. F fence and F funnel. F Fatima and F flower. F Fatima and F flower. F fork. F fork. F fork. Okay. Once again. Fox is fishing. F f f. Fox is fishing. F f f. F is the sound of F. F is the sound of F. F fox and F fishing rod. F fox and F fishing rod. F flag and F fish. F flag and F fish. F frog. F frog and F fruit. F frog and F fruit. F fardeen and F fire. F fardeen and F fire. F fence and F funnel. F fence and F funnel. F Fatima and F fork. F Fatima and F fork. F flower. F flower. Okay. In this way, you can learn all the words and pictures. You can recognize all the pictures through a rhythmic way. Okay. So, bye-bye.